Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're embarking on a culinary adventure with a shrimp pad thai that'll knock your socks off. But hold on to your spatulas, folks, because we're adding a little twist to the mix. Before we dive into the rest of the sauce ingredients, let's give our tamarind paste some special treatment. We're going to dissolve it in hot water first, ensuring a smooth and lump-free consistency. Once it's dissolved, we'll sift it to get rid of any pesky lumps or bits. Then, we'll mix in the fish sauce, brown sugar, soy sauce, and chili flakes to create our flavorful pad thai sauce. Next up, the noodles. Get those rice noodles soaking until they're nice and soft. Ready to get cooking? Let's do this. Cook the shrimp. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the shrimp and cook for 2-3 minutes on each side until they turn pink and opaque. Remove the shrimp from the skillet and set aside. Cook the aromatics. In the same skillet, add another tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add the minced garlic and sliced shallots and saute for 1-2 minutes until fragrant. Scramble the eggs. Push the garlic and shallots to one side of the skillet and pour the beaten eggs into the empty side. Allow them to cook for a minute or until partially set, then scramble them until fully cooked. Add noodles and sauce. Add the soaked rice noodles to the skillet along with the prepared pad thai sauce. Toss everything together until the noodles are well coated in the sauce. Combine ingredients. Add the cooked shrimp back to the skillet along with the bean sprouts and chopped green onions. Stir fry everything together for another 2-3 minutes until heated through. Serve. Transfer the pad thai to serving plates. Sprinkle with chopped peanuts and garnish with lime wedges, fresh cilantro, and extra bean sprouts. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious homemade shrimp pad thai. For the full written recipe, head on over to kelvinskitchen.com and get cooking.